Okay, so now we are going to make a transaction system using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So yun. The first step is dapat meron kang Visual Studio Code where you are going to make the system there or make the what you're going to do website. So, ito gagamitin ko since this is my school account. Tapos, search lang natin yung Visual Studio Code and you are going to download it. And, hindi to. Yung isa, Visual Studio Code. Yung blue, if I'm not mistaken. Eto, ida-download mo to. Since meron ako nito, sa laptop ko, magbabak ako. And, I'm just going to open my VS Studio. So, in here, we are going to open a folder and make folder. So, dito tayo sa desktop. Since papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. So, yan, new folder, and we are going to name it as transaction system. Yan. And select folder. Tapos dito, gagawa lang tayo ng file, and we are going to name it as index.html for our code, for our system, website. So, yun. Since meron ako ditong code, I'm just going to paste it. I'm just going to paste it. Since yung code ko named after cafe invoice.html, I'm just going to rename this one to cafe invoice HTML. And susunod naman natin ay gagawa ulit tayo ng file for its style. So, styles.css. Ngayon, gagawin naman natin yung CSS code. So, I'm just going to copy and paste my code. So, I'm just going to open my folder. Open folder, and then punta ako sa document ko na na-save ko while I was doing this transaction system or transcript. So, ito yun. So, I'm just going to copy and paste. Copy and paste lang natin doon sa ating. So, punta ulit tayong desktop and then select folder. And then we are going just to paste it. So, pinili ko yung mga colors na pink, violet, coquette one, and for my style, mamaya makikita nyo. And for the last language that we are going to use the JavaScript para maging functional yung website natin. So, yeah. So, for the next file, we are going to make script.js. Okay. So, I'm just going to copy and paste my code again from my work. So, we're going to open the folder and documents for my file. And select folder. And this is my script in my code in my website. So, balik ulit tayo doon sa ating ginagawa, which is in here in desktop. And I'm just going to paste my code. So, yun. Since na-paste ko na, we are going to open the live server para makita natin kung what is what what is the outcome of our website. So, open with live server. And, yan. So, yung cafe ko, yung transaction system ko, can add, can void order, can calculate change, and can print receipt. So, example is this latte. Kung ayaw naman ng customer, so i-void lang natin. So, like that. So, we are going to latte, cappuccino, espresso, mocha, and kunwari, nagbayad siya ng $50 bill, and yan yung receipt niya, ayan yung change niya. So, we are going to print the receipt. So, yan. Merong soft copy na pwede niyo mong i-save. And meron namang printable. So, yan. That is my receipt. Which shows what you've ordered, what's the total of what you've ordered, kung ilan yung binayad mo, and the change. Also, the memo. Thank you. That's all.